crave stories as humans. Stories create a connection. It's really hard to just tell someone a fact about yourself and not try to follow it up with some explanation or a story behind it. And it's hard for us not to ask questions to learn more.
I can mix and match these letters and build, let's say, the national anthem, a movie, a text message, a book.
And if that number they really care about is buried in a table or buried somewhere in a complex chart, it's in the wrong place.
How do we fix traffic? Take a moment to consider this question. And if I was to survey the room, we'd get all sorts of interesting and wonderful ideas. And if I was to collect and aggregate those results and present them back to you, we might end up with something that looks like this.
Data is not just about serious business data. We can talk about human interest stories.
There are many definitions out there, but I like to define a data story as a visual presentation of information packaged as a story.
The question is, are you graphic it? Can you read a chart? If you cannot, then it's a bit tricky, so you have to think of the reader. You have to consider the options that you have to be able to get your message across.
Questions, I'll be there in the Microsoft booth. It's impossible to miss, it's right there at the back.
To turn this notion on its head, that data storytelling is only for business, for these different industries that we belong to.
The next logical question that I needed to ask was, what visual should I use? When we present, the outcome of our campaigns, we need to show the numbers.
As a data storyteller, what you want is for your audience to listen to every single word that you've got.
Without the human innovation or the human motivation to actually embrace a data-driven culture, we would not fully reap the benefits of being highly data-driven.